Hello viewers, welcome to Mufti Farm's YouTube channel. Today it's about love. I am gonna talk on lovebirds. Kindly subscribe and like this video before we move on. Lovebirds are small parrot species known for their affectionate and social behavior. They are native to Africa and belong to the genus Agapornis. Lovebirds are popular pets due to their charming personalities and the strong bond they form with their owners. Some key characteristics of lovebirds include 1. Affectionate behavior. Lovebirds are named for their strong, monogamous pair bonding. They often display affectionate behaviors, such as cuddling, preening each other, and feeding one another. 2. Small size. Lovebirds are relatively small parrots, with a length of about 5 to 7 inches. They come in various color mutations, including peach-faced, masked, and Fisher's lovebirds. 3. Sociable nature. Lovebirds are social birds and thrive on interaction with their human companions. They require regular socialization, attention, and mental stimulation to stay happy. 4. Vocalizations. Lovebirds are known for their chirping and vocalizations, which can be quite loud at times. They use these sounds to communicate with each other and with their owners. 5. Lifespan. The average lifespan of a lovebird is around 10 to 15 years, but with proper care, they can live longer. 6. Diet. Lovebirds should be provided with a balanced diet that includes pellets, seeds, fresh fruits, and vegetables. Proper nutrition is crucial for their health. 7. Housing. Lovebirds require a spacious cage with plenty of toys and perches for mental stimulation and exercise. 8. Breeding. Lovebirds are known for their strong nesting instincts. If you plan to breed them, it's important to provide a suitable nesting box and monitor the breeding process carefully. 9. Healthcare. Regular veterinary checkups are essential to ensure the health and well-being of your lovebirds. They can be prone to certain diseases, so preventative care is crucial. 10. Legal considerations. Before getting a lovebird as a pet, it's important to research local regulations and ensure that you can legally keep them in your area. Overall, lovebirds make delightful and loving companions for those who are willing to invest time and attention in their care. However, potential owners should be prepared for the responsibilities of keeping these social birds happy and healthy. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.